Hello everybody, welcome back to bellscb. We have another Stryker SR955. We're doing today's tune-up report for Jay in Texas. All right, Jay, we got her set to AM, got the power all the way down, got my mic gain down, so we just throw a dead key right now. All right, so here we go. Let's take a look up here. All right, so 2 watts right there all the way down. I'll go to the next scale, that's 20 right there. Turn the power all the way up, 20 watts all the way up. Okay, 2 watts all the way down. Now we're on this meter, we'll look at our peak power. All right, so we'll turn up the audio. Turn off the talk back. So you see our peaking, we're on low at about 8. And when we go to high, we're using this bottom scale now for 100. We're just about 70 there. All right. So let's take a look at sideband while you're already looking at that meter anyway. I'm going to inject a 2-tone signal into the radio. All right. Oh, gotta put it on sideband. All right, so on sideband, looking at about 65. All right, nice waveform, and all the way down, closer to 8. All the way up, 65. All right, so as always, I've forgotten to show you FM, so we're switching over to FM. Then we'll look over here again. See, it's about 1 watt. And if I turn it all the way up and go to the 100 watt scale, it's 40 watts right there at maximum. So all the way down, all the way up. All right. So let's pop a microphone in there. See what we got going on. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on sideband, audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Stryker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.